It's your girl Janay Nikki, and welcome back to my channel. If you are not new here, and if you are, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more posts from your girl. Today I have another hair review for you guys, and I'm super excited for this one because bitch, I am about to slay on you hoes. Do you hear me? You guys already know how I do my hair reviews. I will go over the specs of it all with you. And then I will show you guys the end result. Okay. Today's hair review is by a company that I have never reviewed for before. They reached out to me and wanted me to review a wig from their company. So we about to get it popping. Okay, you already know how I like to do. I'm gonna get straight into this hair review for you guys. First things first, this wig that I'm about to show you guys is from a vendor on Amazon, and I don't even really want to say that they're a hair company because I clicked on their company's name, which is the company on Amazon is called Rebeauty, so R-E Beauty. But when they reached out to me and emailed me, I guess the company is called Shine Forever Beauty, or yeah, so in the email, their company is called Shine Forever Beauty, but when I got my package in the mail, it was sent from a company called Nayyy Collection. So, bitch, I don't know where this wig is from, which is a shame, but y'all already know that I'm gonna have all the info and the links and stuff down in the description box for you. You know how I do. I give it to you. Boo boo. Now I'm playing. I'm about to show you guys this wig. Now, you have no idea what color it's about to be, but get ready for this color, bitch. Get ready for it, okay? Here she is. Here is the wig that I am reviewing today, guys. So she is a blonde wig. I don't want to say she's 6'13", and I'm not gonna say she's 6'13" because she's not 6'13", but she is blonde. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what the name, what the exact color is. I guess just blonde. But I will, like I said, have all the info down in the description box, so you can go check that out right now if you are interested. But this is what she is. Of course, she is a synthetica because I do give you guys beauty on a budget looks here at Janay Nikki, and yeah, she is a synthetic lace front, and we about to slay her. It's not really much I can say about her. When I took her out the pack, she was mad cute. I was just like, okay sis, I see you coming through. But yeah, real quick before I put it on, to show you guys what it looks like before I cut the lace and customize her. Y'all know I go over the specs of the wig. So of course, it's regular lace front, regular synthetic lace front cap construction. I can show you guys what she's looking like on the inside. She comes with 3 combs, of course, and 2 adjustable straps right here at the nape area. She also has lace right here in the back, so I'm gonna have to cut that off as well, which is, I like that. I like when wigs have lace back here, especially like synthetic wigs, because it gives you an option to put her up. And at my job, we can't have our hair down, and I wear my wigs to work, so that gives me an option to, whenever I do put it up, it won't, you know, it won't be like, okay bitch, you got a wig on. It won't be like even though, girl, we ain't gotta get into that. Okay, so that is the specs of her. Pretty quick, pretty simple, quick run through. The wig did not come in a special box for their company. That's why I'm very confused on where this wig came from. But of course, like I said, the wig came from a vendor on Amazon. So when I got my package, it came in a regular Amazon box from Amazon Prime, and the wig was packaged inside this bag right here. And they also gave me some tan wig caps, which I was so happy because I was rocking the black wig caps, y'all, and my wigs were still slaying. But whenever you have a black wig cap and you wearing lace, girl, no, you need your tan wig caps. So they came through with the tan wig caps. Shout out to y'all. Thank you. Let's see on here, maybe. Yeah, so okay, the company is Rebeauty. So Rebeauty, R-E Beauty, blonde synthetic wig, lace front wig. It's 24 inches and it's blonde. Bam! Perfect. All you gotta do is look at the packaging. Look at the packaging and it will tell you everything you need to know. So now that I went over the specs of y'all, showed y'all what you will be expecting if you order this wig, what's gonna be coming in the mail, I'm about to pop this bad boy on so I can show you guys what she is rocking with straight out of the pack. Okay? Okay. Here she is. I'm about to put her on. Really quick, I'm gonna adjust the straps because yeah. I'm not going to put the straps all the way. I'm going to put them on the second hook from the starting point, and now I'm gonna put her on for y'all. Okay, so I won't lie to y'all, I had already put her on before I did this video, and she was super tight, so I don't think sis is big head friendly, which is sad because she has a lot of potential to be somebody, but I'm not trying to mess up my makeup too much, y'all, so I'm not going to adjust her too much, but this is what she's looking like on. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna go customize her and slay her, so when I come back, I know you see the look, sis. I know you see the look peeping through. I know you like, oh, I see it coming. And it's coming, baby. It's coming, and she ain't even dropped the addy. So I will be back. I'm gonna go cut the lace and I'm gonna go customize her. And when I come back, I'll tell you guys what I did to achieve the look, okay? Hey, y'all, so I am back and this is the finished look that I came up with. Real simple, real sleek, middle part, nothing too out of the ordinary. Like I said, this wig is 24 inches, but I'm feeling the look, sis. Like, I'm feeling this. This is mad cute. I'm gonna turn around to show you ladies the back.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So yeah, really quick, I just go over what I did. So I just laid my lace normally. I cut the lace and then I before laying it on, I took got to be gel or glue, got to be glue gel, and I lightly evened it out evenly. I spread it out evenly. Can't speak. I spread out the gel evenly along the hairline that I created with the bald cap method. If you've seen in the beginning of this video, I had the bald cap method wig on. So I used my gel and just put it and spread it evenly across my hairline, and yeah, and then I put my wig on and I laid it down, and then I with the rest of the customization that I did to the wig, I worked on the wig on each side one at a time. So I started out on this side first, and then I went to this side, and then yeah, I just laid down some baby hair. On the sides, and y'all love this look. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I don't think I've ever done blonde yet. I've never done a blonde lace front, so this is my first time, and it's super cute. I really like it, to be honest. This hair is super bomb. Like, oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, I'm sorry, I did pluck the wig. So before I started anything, like before I cut the lace, before I laid down the hairline and all that, before I laid down the lace, I plucked the hairline. How I plucked my lace was when I put my wig on, when I showed you guys during the preview, before you cut your lace, you have it on your head and you just take a little bit of hair out from the hairline and put the rest to the back, and then take tweezers. So I had these kind of tweezers, and I just plucked just like that. And then after I was done plucking, I took my brush and I just brushed it through, and it took up all the hair that was plucked out. It's really easy, guys. I think I probably will add a video on how I pluck my synthetic wigs in the future. For future wig reviews, I'll show you guys how I pluck my synthetic wigs. It's really easy and it works really good. But let me know down in the comments how y'all feel about this wig, honestly. And if you're interested in this wig, I do suggest getting it because the hair is bomb. Like, this wig is fooling me. It doesn't shed that much. Unless you cut it, then it'll shed. But other than that, it doesn't shed. It's bouncy. Like, girl, this wig is bomb, sis. And it's 24 inches, and I really like how it's layered. Like, it's not bluntly cut at the ends. Like, it's layered really nicely. And yeah, I feel like I just got my hair slayed by Arrogant Tay. So definitely go check this wig out. I will have all the links down below for you ladies to go check this wig out. And yes. Oh, but I keep forgetting. I'm sorry, ladies. I keep forgetting shit. Last but not least, I did run a flat iron on it. Because if you've seen in the beginning when I showed you guys how it looked right out of the pack, it had some bumps and lumps through the hair. But I ran a flat iron through it. This hair can take up to 350 degrees, and I started out with 250 and then I bumped it up to 300. So yeah, and it worked perfectly. It laid the hair down, it got the little lumps and bumps out of it, and yeah, like, that's it. Then I laid my wig down. After I laid the wig down, that's when I made the baby hairs on the side. Yeah. Let me know down in the comments how y'all feel, if this was a look, cause I think this was a look. Shout out to Rebeauty for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig and wanting me to review this wig on my channel. I give this wig 2 thumbs up. It's awesome. It's bomb. It's another look. You know, I always create looks here at my channel. So this is definitely a look. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and leave a comment down below telling me how you feel. And yeah, we're gonna keep rocking it out here at Janay Nikki, guys. I love y'all so much.